hobbyists. Here's a question. When does something become old enough to become a classic? Be gawked at by people, maybe even a tourist destination? If we look at somewhere like Pompeii, this is a town which has been caught in a snapshot of ancient Rome, and with the layers of hot ash and lava, people were caught in their everyday activities forever. If we look at somewhere like Stonehenge, it's just a load of old stones that are in a field if you boil it down. Most people don't realise that in the 1960s they repositioned these. Was it a good thing? Imagine ancient sites in Greece if they suddenly decided to re-roof things and slap a bit of concrete around. Is this acceptable or not? Would people still flock to see these things if they looked tip-top? Or, if they didn't bother any longer, would they then become ruins again? One of the reasons why I ask this is let's look at the VW Beetle, the supposed car of the people. At what point did this stop being just an old car and metamorphosize into a classic? When did the scrap price go down and the desire factor go up? When did this stop being a vehicle coveted by hippies and scorned by suits like accountants to being coveted by accountants? Maybe to relive some sort of fantasy they had of being a free spirit. Either way, VW vehicles, especially Beetles, are desired vehicles now, and good ones can command a price that only an accountant could afford. The beauty of a Beetle, when it was just an old car, was it was used to make some really interesting, wacky vehicles. A favourite was into some sort of beach buggy. Even Charlie Manson saw the worth of these. Anyway, here we are at an abandoned freezer factory. Maybe one day, this site will also get heritage status and crowds of tourists will come here to take pictures and buy souvenirs. Today we have brought the Blitzer Beetle here, which isn't just an ordinary Beetle, and it is a sought after model. Maybe we should sell this to a mild-mannered accountant. So you don't miss out on further videos and similar nonsense, please like, feel free to comment, definitely subscribe, and press that bell-shaped thingy to be woken up at all hours for further content. But for now, that's your lot.